Alright guys, so I wanted to update you on the Jeep. I haven't done a Jeep video in almost a year and gonna do a lot more mods to it. So I have done a few more modifications to the Jeep since the last time you've seen it. But right now it has a 2.5-inch rough country lift, and I'll put the lift in the description. It also has the 35-inch Toyo RTs, and the RT is a great tire. It's basically an all-terrain tire that looks more aggressive. So it's a hybrid tire, so in between the all-terrain tire and the mud-terrain tire. So if you're looking for the in-between tire, you know, an all-terrain that just looks more aggressive, the RT is definitely the way to go. And I've got about 7,000 miles on these tires right now, and you can see the tread still looks pretty damn good. Even this stuff that wears out super quick, this first lip here, there's still a lot of that. So super pleased with that, super pleased with how these are wearing. And guys, these are my favorite part of the Jeep. I have the Fuel Assault rims. These are 20-inch rims, 12.5, and this is the gloss black. And on my way over here, I seen a parked Jeep with the matte black, so I'll show you guys that footage at the end of the video. And they also have an MT tire, so if you guys want to compare a little bit. And also, when I looked at these wheels online, I thought that this lip stuck out a little bit. So I thought that, you know, hitting curbs and stuff like that, I might scratch these rims, but I've hit a lot of curbs, just, you know, done a lot of stuff, and not one ding or anything to these rims. So since the last video, I have done some mods. This is one of them. I installed these hood latches. Super easy install. I freaking dropped it in the parking lot though and dinged this one before I installed it, but super easy install. Pretty inexpensive too, so if you want to just up your game a little bit, then I would definitely grab those, because I really don't like when anything's faded on the Jeeps. And you know, as you know, these hood latches fade really easily. Same with the fenders. If you guys have the Sport or the Rubicon, these fenders tend to fade a little bit. So I'm going to be replacing the fenders for sure. But for now, they look really good. But first of the year, I'm getting these awesome fenders. They're pretty expensive, so I'm waiting a little bit on them, but can't wait to install those and show you guys those in my next video. So I'll move on to the back of the Jeep where I got these taillights. These taillights look super awesome, and they were pretty inexpensive. I went with the Amazon route, just all blacked out, a lot cheaper than what you get on Quadratic. And these things right here, these, I forget what they're called, these like kind of these guards right here, not pleased with these because they faded super quick. So when I got these, they were gloss black, and then they just faded out. So now they don't look good at all. So not pleased with that. I'm gonna have to repaint those to get them, you know, to match my Jeep. And one thing I really wanted to show you in this video is a lot of you, when you get the bigger tires, you get the different tire mounts to hold the bigger tire, and you probably should do that. But I just want to let you guys know that I got the 35s, you know, 20-inch rims, super heavy, and this is perfectly fine. So yeah, guys, I did absolutely nothing. I just got the 5 tires and rims. These rims are super heavy, and I just threw them on my back door right here. I didn't get any tire mounts or anything like that, and everything's holding up really good. But I haven't done really much off-roading, so, you know, going over those bumps and really putting your Jeep through hell, there could be a different issue, but so far so good. I just wanted to show you guys that because you guys asked that question a lot. What's up, buddy? What are you doing? And another thing is I didn't re-gear this Jeep or anything. I just literally got the rims, got the tires, threw them on, you know, with that 2.5-inch lift, and that's all I did. I didn't get this back mount or anything. I'm kind of slacking as far as that stuff goes, but everything's worked out, you know, as far as the driving. All it does is it feels just a little bit heavier. That's really how I can describe it, because it drives great. So I think this Jeep looks pretty good as is, but still plan on doing some mods to it. So I'll go around the Jeep and show you guys exactly what I'm gonna do. So one thing I'm super excited about, like I said earlier in this video, is replacing these fenders. These fade really easily, so I can't wait to get rid of those. And the bumpers. The bumpers are the same material, and those fade super quick. Especially here in AZ in the summer if you're driving around a lot. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these handles. I think gloss black handles will look a little goofy on these, so we'll probably just keep these, try to, you know, keep that back to black stuff on them. And that metal bar that people put in the middle, that looks pretty cool, so I might do that. Same with the mirrors, I'm not gonna change those out. Those look pretty good. But I am gonna tint the driver and passenger window to match the tinted back windows. This is a really easy mod, but I'm gonna put black rain guards over those windows. That looks really good. Changing the grill out to a more aggressive grill. Like I said, switching out this bumper, and I have a dent in this one because of this lady that backed into me at the gym. So yeah, more aggressive grill, switching out the bumper. And I like it when the bumpers are higher, so maybe just a small gap here. I don't like how this bumper is so low, and it actually grinds on the tire a little bit. So if I raise that up, it's gonna prevent that 35-inch tire from grinding on that bumper. So if you guys plan on getting a 2.5-inch lift with that stock bumper, just know that it's gonna rub just a little bit. So externally, that's pretty much it, guys. Over the next few months, I'm gonna be doing that. And I'm gonna take off these emblems too. All of you do pretty much. I think it's heated up with like a blow dryer or something like that to get off those emblems. But plan on doing a little bit on the inside, but that's pretty much it. So I'll have the mods coming up in future videos. Can't wait to show you guys what this Jeep's gonna look like in the future. It's gonna look a lot different. So yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be a lot of Jeep videos coming on all those mods, and also some dog videos. So it won't just be fitness on this channel. It's gonna be my Jeep, my dog, and my fitness. You know, the three things that I love, right, buddy? Yeah, he's hungry. Need some dinner. Gotta go pee pee? Come on. All right, guys, so I just rolled up on a Jeep with Toyo MTs. So these are gonna be a little bit more aggressive, but they have the same exact rims as I do, except for these ones. These ones are matte. So these ones are the matte black. I don't think you can tell by the video, but so they're gonna be a little less shiny. And they look sick. I honestly like these a lot. But this lift is a lot bigger than mine. So this lift is like, what, like a 4-inch lift or 3.5-inch lift, or no, it's probably more than that. But just wanted to show you guys, this is the same exact size tire, just the MT, not the RT.